हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब गाइस? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए इस वीडियो में बहुत ही यूनिक से आइडियाज़ शेल क्राफ्टिंग से रिलेटेड। एंड व्यूवर्स, फर्स्टली सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। आई होप सो गाइस you will enjoy this video, new amazing and outstanding ideas. Hope so guys you will enjoy my amazing and trending ideas in this video I am share with you. Subscribe this channel. Hope so viewers you will enjoy this beautiful new attractive ideas in this video I am introducing. Subscribe this viewers, you like this video and you will like this video. And viewers, hopefully you will like this beautiful new attractive ideas, unique designs in this video I am sharing with you. Hope so guys you like this video, new and elegant ideas. And viewers, you will enjoy this video, elegant and trending ideas I am share with you in this video. And guys, hopefully you will enjoy this video. Hopefully viewers you will like this beautiful attractive ideas. Subscribe this channel and you will enjoy this video. I hope so guys you like this video, new and elegant ideas. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy this video, new and creative ideas I am share with you. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hopefully viewers you will like this video. That's very awesome, new and different ideas. Guys, I hope so you like this video, new and adorable ideas. Viewers, like this video and enjoy my ideas which I am share with you. इनिंग बेस्ट डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस आपके साथ डेली बेसिस पर शेयर करते रहते हैं। एंड गाइस, होपफुली आप मेरी तमाम आइडियाज़ पसंद आ रहे होंगे जो हमने आपके साथ डेली बेसिस पर शेयर किए हैं। सो व्यूअर्स, like this video and you will enjoy this beautiful